Hi friends, Miss Freitas here, and today we are going to work on some story problems. Last week, Miss Norgate talked to us about the importance of using read, draw, and write when we solve story problems. Remember those? We are going to use that today. I will put it in the corner so we can remember it. Now, yesterday you learned about tape diagrams. So when we draw today, we will be using tape diagrams. As a reminder, we use tape diagrams to organize our thinking. They are really similar to number bonds. Just like the number bond, they show us how two parts make a whole. Part, part, whole. Let's see it in the tape diagram now. Part, part, whole. Okay, let's solve this problem together before you solve two problems by yourself. The first step is we gotta read. So let's read our problem all the way through. Lee saw 6 squashes and 7 pumpkins growing in his garden. How many vegetables did he see growing in his garden? All right, now the next step is to draw and label. Like Miss Norgate said, it's really helpful if you break up the story problem into little pieces. So let's read this first part first. Lee saw 6 squashes. All right, now remember, we are using a tape diagram today. So I'm going to draw 6 circles for the 6 squashes. And I'm going to label it with S for squashes. I'm going to put a rectangle around it, and now I already have one part of my tape diagram. Now it's time to read the other little chunk. He saw 7 pumpkins growing. Right next to that, I am going to draw 7 circles for the 7 pumpkins. And I'm going to label it with, you guessed it, AP for pumpkins. All right, now remember, I'm looking for that whole. Alrighty, last thing I need to do is write. I need to write a number sentence first. I know that I have 6 squashes plus 7 pumpkins. To solve this, I'm going to count up all those circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got 13. To make it a little faster on myself, I could have gone 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But either way, I got my answer and I'm going to box it. Don't forget to put it in your tape diagram too. Now, last thing that I have to do before I can say that I'm done is write a statement. The question asked, how many vegetables did he see growing in his garden? And I got 13. So I'm going to say, he saw 13 vegetables. That way, my teacher can see that I know what the story was talking about.